Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get the international driver's license for the USA. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to search for International Drivers Association. And after that, you have to press on the link right here. And after that, you scroll down and then you press on Start IDB application. And in here, you have to fill in your information such as the email, your first and last name, and the country of birth, and also the permanent place of residency, and yeah, the date of birth and everything. Then you scroll down, and after that, you have to press on Save and Continue. And after that, it's going to ask you for a passport style photo, and you're just going to press on here and pick the photo that you have already. And after that, you have to take a photo of your driver's license from the front and from the back. And in the end, you have to type in your signature. If you have one, you just have to upload it. If you want to draw it already, you just have to draw it as you want. Or you can just leave it as it is, and then you press on Upload Document. And after that, with the shipping, it's going to ask you your address exactly. You just have to type in the region and the zip code and the city. And then here it's going to ask you for the shipping method, if you want to make it by FedEx or just the standard one, and the travel wallet as well. And just going to press on Review Application and Pay. And after that, it's just going to confirm the information that you have here. Just have to make sure everything is correct. And then you're going to press on Verified and Proceed to Payment. And in the payment here, you're just going to press on the credit card or whatever payment that you have. And after that, you press on Pay. And then it's going to send you an email confirming everything. So that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you guys in the next one. Cheers.